stop you. Shoot for the sun and break on through.
Hi, I'm Sandy Halverson, Silver Bells Program Coordinator for the National Federation of the Blind of Virginia. This short video shows some of the techniques used by low vision and blind seniors to cut and chop vegetables, set ovens, do laundry, use a long white cane to cross the street, and use what we're calling survival braille to read an elevator panel. Tracy Sofranco, President of the National Federation of the Blind of Virginia, will give us more information.
Seniors experiencing vision loss may be struggling to figure out, how do I live fully? In the National Federation of the Blind of Virginia, we know that if we connect you with positive role models and teach you alternative techniques that are both for individuals who are low vision or non-visual, you can succeed and thrive. Our goal is to provide you with a multitude of ways to solve problems, including low vision techniques and non-visual techniques. How do I cook successfully in my home? How do I travel independently in my community? We're going to share some of those techniques through our exciting weekend-long retreats called Silver Bells. We will teach you high and low tech solutions that are successful and are used by others, whether that's using survival braille to be able to know that you're getting off at the right place on an elevator, or shopping and trying to find the things you need in a store, traveling in your community. You're going to have the opportunity to learn and try alternative techniques so that you can live independently and enjoy your world.
For more information about this exciting program, go to www.nfbv.org/silverbells, email silverbells@nfbv.org, or call 703-400-6890.
You can live the life you want. Yes, we know the truth.